Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to sign up for BMO Bank online banking. Signing up for BMO online banking is a straightforward process. First, you'll need to visit the BMO website or download the BMO digital banking app on your mobile device. To register, you'll need to have your BMO debit card or credit card handy, as you will be asked to enter the card's details. The registration process will guide you through creating a secure password and setting up your security questions. Once you have completed the registration, you're all set to sign in and begin using BMO's online banking services. You can then manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and more, all from your computer or mobile device. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.